Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this exciting journey where we dive into the world of podcasting with the help of Adobe Podcast AI. Do you want to start a podcast but don't have a soundproof room or an expensive microphone? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how you can create professional quality podcasts without breaking the bank or needing a dedicated studio space. Adobe Podcast uses advanced AI to remove background noise and enhance audio quality. This means you can record in your living room, bedroom, or even a noisy cafe and still get crystal clear audio. First, you need to log in with your Gmail, and you're all set. It's a simple and quick process that gets you started in no time. Adobe Podcast takes your podcast to the next level. So let's start. Imagine being able to produce high-quality content that sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio, all from the comfort of your home. After logging into Adobe Podcast, scroll down, go to Studio, request access, and fill out the form. This step is crucial as it grants you access to all the powerful tools Adobe Podcast has to offer. Write your name, Gmail ID, and other details. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid any delays in getting access. Click the Enhance Speech button. Otherwise, your editing won't work. This feature is the heart of Adobe Podcast, transforming your raw recordings into polished audio. Next, in Filmora, I record an audio. Filmora is a great tool for editing your podcast, offering a range of features that complement Adobe Podcast perfectly. After that, export it in MP3 format. MP3 is widely supported and ensures your podcast can be easily shared and played on various platforms. Now I upload the recorded file to Adobe Podcast. This is where the magic happens, as Adobe's AI works to enhance your audio quality. I close the Enhance Speech button and play the audio. You'll be amazed at the difference this makes, turning ordinary recordings into professional-sounding podcasts.
Hello, it's microphone testing. In this video, we will look at the best beginner software for podcast editing, and we are gonna love it. Okay, before to make a clear audio, we need a soundproof room.
Here I on Enhance Speech button and play the audio again. Hello, it's microphone testing. In this video, we will look at the best beginner software.
Here are some important things to keep in mind when using Adobe Podcast. These guidelines will help you make the most of the platform. This audio file only supports MP3 and MP4 formats, with a maximum duration of 30 minutes and a file size up to 500 MB. Make sure your files meet these requirements to avoid any issues. The daily limit is 1 hour. This should be plenty of time for most podcasters. But it's good to be aware of this limit as you plan your recording sessions. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach more aspiring podcasters. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.